Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can set up the DND mode during specific hours in the app, and there you have it, the Dreame X40 Ultra. So let's jump to the application. There we have a Dreame home app. Open your appliance, click on the three-dot icon, and now we are looking for the more functions. As you can see, there you have the DND mode. Click on it. Now just turn it on or add the new schedule, and you can set the hours, the starting time and the ending time. Then click on the accept, and basically that's it. Now we have two DND mode, now one from the 4 p.m. to the 1 a.m. p.m. sorry. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.